The topic of today's video is how to remove Pro Features error when exporting your video on Capcut. This is not really an error, guys. It's just that you've maybe accidentally used a Pro feature and it's very easy to remove it. So when you do export with a Pro feature, it will show you this. And it shows you exactly which Pro features you've used. Unfortunately, it doesn't just automatically remove it because they want you to join Pro. What you can do is just close this here on the X. And now you have to navigate to where that feature is. And this can be annoyingly finicky, but just keep going to edit and effects till it pops up. I had to do that a few times. And once you do find the offending feature, all you need to do is click on that feature and then click on replace or just completely remove it. And that's all there is to it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.